What? Are you hot? You need a vitamin D. Are you hot? Huh? You wanna get in? You wanna get in? It's hot out there? You wanna get in? Huh? You wanna get in? You wanna get in? Huh? You wanna get in? You better knock the door. Buddy, feels good in here? Huh? Are you sleepy? It's too early for a nap. Bud, he likes it in here because he is close to the AC. And that's what he wants. He wants to be close to the air conditioner. He doesn't like outside because it's too hot. Buddy. You look too sleepy, boy. Why are you so sleepy? Buddy, you wanna go outside? No?